I'm gonna sell these in swap meet as Sportster shocks.
Are you gonna talk?
He pulls out, I start talking. Here we go. Ryan KRUESI back again on a goddamn monkey. I got a monkey. If you guys didn't see the other video, I bought a fucking monkey. I'm really excited about it. Definitely one of the funnest things I've had in my life so far. At the end of it, I'll put the video down here somewhere where you can go watch the first video because it's funny. We do cool shit. We're gonna do a bunch of shit today. Oh, look at this. I got a Honda merchandise monkey shirt. Exact same color of the shit I just literally took. All right, on today's show, we're gonna be putting in some Ohlins cartridges. Now, to start this off with, every bit of suspension would be Legends on this bike if I had my way, but they do not make shocks for the monkey yet. I am trying to talk Jesse into it because I want some LGs on the back of this bitch, but that's not possible, so Ohlins is also awesome, and these are quickly available. We can get these like next day type shit, and they're cheap. The cartridges are like a couple $100, I think. I don't really know what they do or how they go in. I'm gonna make Trent do this. It comes with two different springs too. It does not come with directions on what spring rate is what. I gotta make some phone calls on that. But I got an extra set of springs, fancy caps, cartridges, all that good shit. I also got a Koso high volume pump that we're going to modify to it has the pickup because the stock pump still kind of sucks. I got a lever with a big R on it. I don't know what the fuck this is. What is this? RSC. One finger lever. It's hooked. It's so nice. Trent had one on his Grom. I rode with it. I had to have it. We're going to put that on. I got a license plate. I got registration. I got insurance. I put full coverage on this for $48 for the year. Fully legal. I can rip the streets 100% on this fun little kid's toy that I'm gonna make dope as fuck today. Oh! Also, got some fucking Ohlins for the rear. Full piggybacks. They come with two different spring rates too. I don't know which one is the lighter one, which one's the heavier one, because it doesn't say that shit in the directions. Or I could be dyslexic and not reading it properly. Probably the later of those two questions. I'm gonna start putting some shocks on. Have an intake for it too, but I forgot at my house. Matt just rode up to get it. We got a dinger built intake, and maybe start building a subframe if I get really excited. I'm gonna start working. Thanks for watching. Big old mustard tiger here. I'm coming at you real soon. Fucking no place like home. Ohlins, Ohlins, Ohlins. These don't make my bike ride like shit. Mega floss. But how much are these retail? Just under $700. Thing up for racing and shit, which I'm gonna road race this bike.
Okay, so the number on the spring, the lighter of the two is going to be the 60360-01.
I think I might powder coat these black. And then just run these soft ones until these get back. Where's my flannel? Hey, I'm Ryan. This is the next episode of Monkey Business. Oh, there it is. Up top.
Alright, we got compression and rebound. I know that because it says.
On the backing. Arms getting pumped over here, boys. Everyone's very organized and clean in the shop, except for my area. Cam Jones, is that what it is?
That's pretty simple, looks like. Is done.
This looks a little easy.
You know what I just realized? I didn't pull a spring out of this.
What?
It's like a spacer.
That's the stock stuff?
Yeah, this is all stock right here. I haven't. That's the fucking fork tube, I think.
There's probably a spring on one side and a dampener on the other. That's probably why it's so soft. When Progressive makes a drop in, follow real Progressive on anything. I think, does Racing Brothers make it? Or they just make rears?
I don't know. I just saw rears. I don't know if they make front.
Racing Bros make rear cartridge setups for these that are pretty nice, a little cheaper. We'll have those on the website as well. I think they make front springs or cartridges. Racetech probably makes springs.
Racetech definitely makes springs, I think.
We'll have all that stuff set up on the website hopefully soon. If by the time this video drops, we'll put all the links down below so you can do some shopping to your heart's desired. The intake is Dinger built. He's an independent guy like us. I'll just go to his website, buy it straight from him. Other than that, it'll all be available at KRUESIOriginals.com. That is not the right side.
Good.
Where? Just found a joint in my toolbox.
Another one from Taylor. Harbor Freight?
Oh yeah. Good fucking call, Trent.
I'm always excited to go to Harbor Freight. Love that place.
Tracy, how can I help you?
What's going on, man? I was wondering if you guys had a extended 14mm Allen socket.
Extended?
Yeah, like a 6-incher.
No,
Ooh.
not an Allen socket, no. In a 3/8 drive. Hold on. What size again?
14mm. This reminds me of the hold music in Grand Theft Auto when you press pause.
Long and a 14. We go up to a size 10. That's 6 inches long. That's it.
You
Go
got.
to 14. That's the short one.
Gotcha. You think maybe we could grind
We
it
got
down?
that, but don't.
Grind down the on a short 14mm.
No.
You got Allen keys? Oh.
Yeah, we got that.
one. Sure, just go
Word.
get that one.
Word. Sounds good, dude. Thank you.
That's all we're waiting on then, right? Trent ran down to, I don't remember where, O'Reilly's to get a big 14mm Allen key because it's the only thing available, and we're going to put a wrench on it and try and break these sons of bitches loose over here because we don't have that specialty long 14mm Allen, and nobody else around does either, so I guess I got to order one. Intake is done. Where did I put that lever? Yeah, it's got a fancy lever. And my work is done until Trent gets back, I think.
Go, dude.
Yeah, the girl at O'Reilly shop does. They don't have that 14mm going out of Depot.
Alright, he's hurting. Fucking cocksuckers. Man, O'Reilly's on Cave Creek up here and need to get their shit together.
The only fucking Allen key that they had was a 10mm, like anything like big like that.
Talking out their ass, huh?
Yeah. Fucking
That's
good.
not how that shit goes.
No, it ain't.
Dudes don't know what the fuck they're doing at that O'Reilly's here.
I'm not putting that out correctly.
Well, I'm going to Home Depot. I'll be there in a bit.
Yes. Oh, dude. gonna remove my custom scrape plate that I made. Yeah, I know it's not the deepest wheelie, but it's definitely the funnest wheelie. I'm gonna leave this thing back here and just keep scraping it until it gets like as deep to where it's like the perfect spot where I feel like I want it for, I could be able to hand drag it and still scrape it, and I wanna be able to ride a scrape on the street. So that'll be like my depth gauge. So then I'll set my scrape plate and all that shit too when I go to build it. Right now it's definitely not deep enough to hand drag. It's just like a fun little scrape, but I'm deep in the scrape before I could even get my hand backwards. This is the license plate light, which I'm gonna save that for something down the road maybe. But for now, she's going by the wayside. Done. I'm gonna plug it right here, hopefully. Nice Honda plug. Gotcha. I built something into the fender, probably like I do with Dyna. Might not be able to find that fucking tool that we need for the front end. KRUESI Originals. Okay, yeah, go see what you can come up with. Otherwise I'm f***ed. You haven't heard back from Robbie at all yet? Oh my god. Okay, bye. So this is a Get It Gary. Fuck yeah, Gary. Is that what it is?
Get it, Gary.
Get it, Gary. Get it, Gary. On Instagram, this was his trick. Put the license plate upside down so you got more scrape room back here and you get deeper. I think his is cut off with the license plate though and he's scraping that. I want to work my way up there. Slowly. Gingerly. Fender mod 101. Remove whatever that fancy light is. It's enough light up there. You don't really need to be seeing your license plate. Oh my god, I've even got a tag for this. And a registration and insurance. I can't believe it, I'm legit. I'm gonna scrape this guy down until it's as deep as I want it to be, and then I'm gonna build a subframe next. Kind of looks like we're gonna have to put the suspension back together stock because I don't have the specialty tool to take those damping rods apart. I need a 14mm, very long Allen socket that we had to order. So I think I'm just gonna put some 20 weight in them and run them. Trent is trying one more place right now, but we've struck out like 5 places, so gonna have to order it. That sucks, is what it is. I'm just waiting for Trent now. I think I'm done. Clean up my shit. It doesn't look like it's gonna cut it. How about you just come back here, let's put some 20 weight and put this back together, and then we'll just order the right tool.
Alright, yeah, we can do that.
We'll do it down the road. I'd rather just do it the right way and wait. I'll have patience. Alright, bye. That's that, we're gonna wait. I will do the front end in another video. Monkey life. Wait for Trent. Come on, Trent. Come on, Trent. A little soft in the back. Probably give her a good stiffening. We just put 20 weight in the front. It feels a little bit slower, but I'm right there's bump stops. It sucks. I still got the stock front end. We got a specialty tool coming for that. The rear shocks are on. Intake's on. Sounds good. I will take it outside and ride around a little bit. We're not going to go like fully ride it tonight because everybody's got to do things. And when we do the front end, then we'll ride it. We'll do a review. We'll do the whole, you know, shebang so you guys can see what's going down with it. And we'll be doing some street riding this week, I'm sure, too. We'll film something. Just set them to maximum. moccasins too. I forgot my shoes at home. After that intake though. Take her outside before I kill people. But it sounds good. Doesn't miss at all. It's got no dead spots. I like that it sounds like I've got something in it, but it's not going to piss off the neighborhood. Like I could ride neighborhoods and I can still like hear my motor doing some work instead of being so fucking quiet like it was. I felt like drop back Donnie on his electric motorcycle. What was that? Like I said, I'm gonna go put around. All this shit will be on the website. I'll have links down below if you guys want to get in on this game. Buy a monkey. Go buy a monkey. Get monkey with me. That funky monkey. Look at this. I got the shirt, dog. I'm committed. Kreusi Originals. Kreusi Originals on Instagram. Kreusi Originals on Facebook. KRUESIOriginals.com. Kreusi Originals not on your Grom because I'm on a monkey, dog. What a fucking nerd.